What's up, BBs? This is our last day here in Vegas for the Blackpink concert. Despite the weather, we've been fighting through it, and we are now at our last hotel, the Luxor. We are in the West Tower on the 6th floor. Let's check it out. So we're gonna start with the bathroom again. This is a very nice bathroom so far. Big, nice, well-lit mirror, nice size sink. Here's your toilet here. Here's your shower. And then you have this nice large tub. Star will definitely be enjoying that later on. Keep walking to the living area. Nice full body mirror. Here are two queen beds, our nightstand in the center. Here's your desk area, TV, a nice drawer space. Here's your closet up here. And better view of our beds here. Here's our sitting area. Unfortunately rather, not a very nice view. Just got the side of the building, all this stuff down here. Get a little bit of the Delano back there. But that's about it for this room. But that's okay. We're just gonna be here for the night, and then hopefully we can get out of here, save the weather. So we'll see you soon, babies. Bye.